Have you ever encountered something like this where there's malformed something, in this case malformed extend, where it's pointing to a space where you already have space? This could be due to you copy pasting it from a text editor or a, let's say, Microsoft Word, and it includes other character formatting. So let's pull up Command Alt F or Control Alt F for Windows user, and then just highlight a portion. This is a find and replace function. So I can copy that weird space and let me replace it with my space in my keyboard and hit replace. Hit save, refresh. As you can see, there's still weird character formatting elsewhere. It's usually at the end of the line. As you can see, it highlights everything. And do this, and again replace it with my own space, and click replace all. Hit save, refresh. That should work.